Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll and find General Management, and as you can see on the second position we've got date and time, so let's tap here. Now we are using automatic date and time, so it is provided by our network. If you want to set it manually, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see the time zone, date and time are active, so we can just tap on it, we can select the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got all available time zones. Let's tap on the one you want to use simply, and as you can see it immediately changes. Now let's get back and let's set the date. As you can see here we've got the calendar, so we can manually choose the date we want to use. Just tap on it and click on done. And the same situation with the time. Here by swiping we can choose the time we want to use, for example this one, and click on done. As you can see it immediately appears on the status bar. What's more, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. Now we are using 24-hour format, but if you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see it is also immediately applied. So that's all. If you want to get back to all previous settings, so if you want to use the network provided time zone, date and time and use 24-hour format, just tap on this switcher and this switcher, and as you can see it also immediately changes. So that's all. This is how to set date and time in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.